Hi, Ben here from Homemade Modern, and I'm very excited to announce the launch of the third annual Quikrete One Bag Wonder competition, where myself and Quikrete are challenging you to see what you can make out of just one bag of a Quikrete product. The first two competitions were a lot of fun and yielded some pretty cool projects. This year, Quikrete is giving away more than $5,000 in prizes, and the winners will get to come hang out with me at the Haven Conference, which is one of the coolest conferences for DIYers. Go to quikrete.com to learn more about the rules and how to enter, or just click on the link in the description box below. Concrete is an incredibly versatile DIY material, and over the years, we've made a lot of different projects, but now it's your turn. So just go to your local home improvement center, pick up a bag of Quikrete, and let's see what you can do. There are so many different project options. You can try something practical and traditional, like setting a mailbox or setting up some fence posts, or you can let your imagination run wild, as I tend to do sometimes, and see if you can come up with something super creative. We want to see all the different types of projects. So check out the link below, go get a bag of Quikrete, and let's have some fun.